So my tips are simple. Number one, I want you to keep learning how to use the AI tools, any one of them. You don't need to use all of them. And I think it's best to start with ChatGPT, but you can start with Gemini. You can start with anything you want. Your alternative is, I do believe, to become obsolete. It is your choice. So at least learn how to become competent with the tools, whether you like it or not. Number two, I want to say it this way. Don't hold on for dear life. Let your role shift. Can you move into a coaching or advising or creative director role? We have people doing all of those things, and they're going to tell you about them. Can you set your clients up for success with AI? Can you guide them? Can you do it with them? I want you to let your role shift. And three, I want you to stay curious and listen to the market. This is something I always say. There are so many ways to do it. Hopefully, you'll hear about many different ways today. But one of the ways I always do this is by asking questions constantly. And I ask almost everyone who emails me, is AI affecting your work? And this morning, literally, I got this response from someone who is in my network. She said, if AI is impacting me, it's not much. I have two young clients who use AI extensively in their work, yet they keep me on and keep me busy. In addition to writing, I now do a lot of planning, organizing, supervising. So this woman let her role shift, and it sounds like it could be even better for her.